Tell me why'd you have to go and drive me so crazy? Now I'm feeling lost without you, and I just can't be without you, baby. Want you all night long, want you all night long. Tell me.
Hello everyone, welcome back or welcome if you are new. My name is Kimi and on this channel I do mobile home cleaning videos, and today I have a really special video. It is my spring clean and decorate with me of 2023. This is the first one of many, so let's go ahead and get right into it. I'm going to do just everyday cleaning in the kitchen at first, that way I have a clean slate to work with. I'm getting the dishes done and then I'm going to get into cleaning off the table.
Without you, and I just can't be without you, baby. Want you all night long, want you all night long. Baby, now I'm feeling lost without you, and I just can't be without you, baby. Want you all night long.
Alright, so after I am done getting the kitchen table cleared off, I wanted to show y'all my new ice maker, and I also moved my Keurig over to this little table beside my refrigerator because I wanted to do a very simple minimalistic coffee bar. So here's my new ice maker. It's a countertop ice maker from Free Village. It's got a self-cleaning mode. It makes 26 pounds of ice in a 24-hour period, which is amazing to me. Also wanted to thank Free Village for partnering with me on this video. So it has this little max level. Here is the functioning. It's got a power. It tells you when the ice is full. It tells you when it needs water. And then you can select from small to large ice cubes. I'm pouring the water in now. I got it in the color black. It makes 9 pieces of ice every 6 to 8 minutes. It's self-cleaning and it's portable and it's somewhat lightweight. So I'm making the ice now and it's going to go ahead and do its thing. It's high efficiency, energy saving, it's low noise. You can see all this ice within 30 minutes and it's got a long service life. So I could take this on a trip if I wanted to. I think this is great for parties. Like my sister-in-law definitely needs one of these. I'm making my iced coffee right now. And then also during the summer, Aaron goes fishing a lot and we always have to buy ice. So we will never have to buy bags of ice again. I'm going to leave Free Village's ice maker machine in the link in the description box down below. I'll also have it as the pinned comment at the very top of the comment section. But y'all, this is awesome. I've been making ice for days now, and yeah, if you need an ice machine, definitely go and pick this one up off of Amazon. I'll have that information linked down below. And I've used the ice in here. It's wonderful. I love the little bullets. They have holes in them. So it makes your drinks colder longer because the drink actually goes inside of the ice, which I feel like is a really cool feature. So if you don't have an ice maker machine and you're in the market for one, go ahead and go down there and get one. And here's me just drinking my iced coffee, and now I'm going to get into the spring cleaning portion of this video. I'm going to wipe down the countertops, the cabinets, take everything off of the counters, the microwave, my knives, diffuser, all of that, and clean behind there. I'm also rearranging some things. I'm going to move the microwave. I feel like it's just, I could have a much better space in this corner if I get that microwave moved to somewhere else. So that is what I'm going to do now.
sleep, my veins run dry, I'm empty. I can't see, I'm blinded by this concrete. And I should call you, see what you've been up to. I've been wondering, how far did you go in 7 months? I bet you're happy and don't think that much about me. Here I am, not knowing how to move on without you, you, you. Without you.
If you are finding this video enjoyable, I would love for you to subscribe and join our community. Subscribing is free and it helps my channel grow, and I would really appreciate you subscribing. So let me know down in the comments if you are new and you subscribed. I would love to welcome you here. And also, if y'all see anybody say that they're a new subscriber, go ahead and welcome them and let them know that this is a great community, and I'm so thankful for each and every one of you.
See what you've been up to. I've been wondering, how far did you go in 7 months? I bet you're happy and don't think that much about me. Here I am, not knowing how to move on without you, 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 you. Oh, without you.
I'm going to add some spring decor over here. I decided not to go with the Easter eggs and bunnies just yet because for me it is February 26th today. So I think maybe halfway through March I will be a lot more excited to put out the eggs and the bunnies. But today is very, I, I would say, seasonally neutral. It's just kind of welcoming spring, excited for spring to come. And so when I get done doing the cabinets, I will start on the decorating. And I love how that space turned out. It's a lot cleaner now, even though there's a bunch of stuff on the countertops. It just makes sense. So if you have a small house or small kitchen, I think if you have a large microwave like I do, putting it in a spot that you know, like, you don't really use that much is a good idea. Now that the microwave is over there by the chairs, which we never use that second chair. So that corner always got cluttered up, and since I moved the Keurig over to this little coffee bar, I had this space to put their microwave. And now, even with the air fryer and the decor and my knives and diffuser, I will still have all this counter space right by my stove to be able to cut things or just have food there. It makes, when your kitchen is functionable, it makes it a lot more enjoyable to be in and utilize. So I'm very happy with how that turned out. And speaking of how things turned out, I got these curtains from one of my subscribers. She made them by hand, so they're very special to me. And I just switched out the black curtains for these curtains, and I'll show you in up close. They have these cute little teacups on them, and I think these are just perfect for spring. This is the decor that I have pulled out so far. I have this little gnome worries hand towel. I have some eucalyptus, I have some blue flowers and lavender, a little candle from Dollar Tree, which I have been burning while editing this video. It smells great and I love the lavender color. So we're going to use these items to decorate with in the kitchen, and I can't wait to show you how it all turned out.
what you're doing, making me feel like I'm falling. And when you're moving, I can hear my calling.
I thought it would be a great idea to wrap the eucalyptus on the little banana hanger, and then down in there I just have a bed of the lavender with the carrots. I think that looks super cute. Y'all will have to tell me what you think about that. And then I have this little cow that I'm just gonna put right here, and I moved that over, and I hid my little white cord behind all this stuff. And I don't know why I didn't think to start my diffuser while I was doing this video, but that's alright. So this vase is from Dollar General, and I'm putting these little flower picks in here. I definitely fixed them earlier. I was not liking how this looked, so I do kind of spread them out a little bit more so that they're a little bit higher. I thought of putting them on the other side of my air fryer, but I thought that doesn't look right. I don't like the base of it, and I didn't like how it was the same height as the air fryer, so we'll move that over to the table. I'm just hanging some of these oven mitts, and y'all saw my spoon rest, which was from the Dollar Tree. I got this from Walmart. I will do, once we're done spring cleaning and I've got all my spring and all that decor out, probably in March, I will do a full decor home tour and show you where everything is. But also, if you don't want to wait till then and you want to know where something is, leave a comment down below and I will be sure to answer that for you, as long as I know where it came from. I know people have asked me where the fruit basket came from. I don't know where my sister-in-law got it, but whenever I see her, I'll ask her where she got it.
I could be who you want, 'cause I know that I need to be happy too. And then things turn to dust when I'd love just to mess up and tell the truth. All I hear is an echo, turn the words I say to ammo.
Here's how everything turned out. So as you can see, I kind of spread out those stems so it would look more realistic and more height to it on the table. These are actually real dried flowers that I did a DIY with, and there's the other set of curtains right there. I've had that tablecloth there for a while. Here's how the room looks. My dishes were drying, so that's why they're still in the sink. I'm very happy with how this turned out. I will add more to this whenever it gets closer to Easter. I'll put out some eggs, and I got tons of banners from Dollar Tree this year, so I'll be putting those out everywhere, and I have lots of wall decor to hang up, so lots more decorating videos and spring cleaning videos to come. So I hope y'all enjoy this video. Let me know in the comments down below how you liked it. And don't forget to check out Free Village, link in the description box. You can get that ice maker. And yeah, I will see y'all back here in the next video very soon. And I hope you have a wonderful day. Bye.
All I hear is an echo, turn the words up